Okay, back to the larynx again. Here's the epiglottis, which is elastic cartilage. The thyroid and the cricoid, which I told you were hyaline. Thyroid cartilage is named after this gland here, the thyroid gland. Here's the trachea on this model. There's the carina, where the trachea splits into right and left primary bronchi. Each of the primaries is going to divide into as many secondaries as there are lobes on that side of the lung. On the right side, there's 1, 2, 3 secondary bronchi. On the left, there is 1, 2. Now, on the back side of this larynx, you can see here's the epiglottis, and the hole it is covering is called the glottis. Epi means upon, glottis is the hole here. When you swallow, this epiglottis, being elastic, covers the glottis so that the food you swallow will go down your esophagus into your stomach, and then it flips back open, so your airway is open again. On the back of the trachea, here's a muscle called the trachealis muscle. And because of that muscle, on the back, the shape of this, when you cut it, looks like a capital D, so D-shaped. If you don't look at the muscle, it's C-shaped because of the cartilage, and just ring-shaped otherwise. Let me take this apart, and what we can see here on the inside are the vocal folds. They're the vocal folds. Now over here is another model. So there's your larynx again, epiglottis, thyroid cartilage, cricoid, trachea. What I wanted to show you on here is there are 3 lobes on the right side, superior, middle, and inferior lobe. Left side, there's 2, superior and inferior. And the left side has a notch in it here. The superior lobe does. It's called the cardiac notch. The heart kind of intrudes there. We're going to look at 2 muscles. The diaphragm here is involved in inhalation. On this model, there's the diaphragm again. And the intercostals, especially the external intercostals. The external intercostals are involved in breathing in. That's an active process. Exhaling is a passive process.